So I decided that instead of posting out any kind of videos on my YouTube channel, I was going to be more intentional about my videos. I know a lot of people will say you have to post more frequently, you have to upload more consistent, but there is a better way to go about it. And this is picking quality over quantity. This is because you want to be intentional about your videos so that you create value for your audience, just as I am now. You want to create videos whereby your audience can gain one or two things from your video. You don't want a situation whereby they just scroll past because they don't see anything from it. So that is what we are about today. Quality over quantity. So today I'm going to walk you through easy steps on how you can focus more on quality over quantity when crafting out your video content creation process. And it's easy. Now here is the thing. Posting consistently is great, but if people are not engaging or watching this video, then what's the point? Quality keeps people coming back. It builds your brand and it also makes your content actually useful. Think about it. Would you rather have 10 forgettable videos that were created in a rush and nobody engaged with, or that one video that had a lot of likes, comments, people shared, and had a huge impact? Which would you pick? Exactly. Now, here is the easy way to do it without spending forever. First step is start with one strong idea. Instead of trying to make 100 random videos, focus on one solid idea that people actually want to watch. Ask yourself these three questions. What is a problem people have? What is something people keep asking about? What is a trending topic I can add value to? When you nail this one thing first, everything starts to come together. Then the second step is plan before you film. I used to just hit record and talk, hoping it would turn out good. But trust me, a tiny bit of planning saves me so much editing time. The first thing you want to do here is write down your key points. This is not a full script because if you create out a script, you might want to just read through. All you just have to do is plan a guide for your video. Then the second thing is think about how you're going to keep it engaging. Example is if you want to add stories, quick cuts, or animations or B-rolls to your videos. This is where this comes in. And step three, this is where you make editing simple. You do not need crazy effects to make a great video. Just focus on cutting out the fluff, using quick jump cuts to keep attention, and adding some light music or text to keep things dynamic, just like you're seeing in my video. And if you really want to save time, use tools like CapCut or Descript to edit faster. This whole video, I made it on CapCut. Nice, right? Yes. So yeah, posting frequently is great, but taking out your time to make sure that these videos actually matter, that is even better. Focus on quality and you'll see more retention, better engagement, and less burnout. Now tell me, do you like making videos fast or taking out your time to properly craft them out? Drop your comments below in the comment section and we'll talk about it. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I drop a new video. And trust me, you would like it. Until next time, stay savvy. Bye.